So in this video today, I want to share with you how I painted a landscape in only 30 minutes using 4 colours. So the other week I was going for a walk. It was a little bit sad. My cat had passed away, R.I.P. Tiggy. So I went for a walk and I just really loved the way that the light and the silhouette of the trees. So I took this photo. So I took this photo and I loved it. I thought, oh, that's one I'm going to paint sometime. And so a couple of days later, I was fed up with my current work that I was painting. So I'm working on a self-portrait at the moment, and it's kind of going from, it looks really bad in the camera there, but anyway, it's going, I was really fed up with it, so I needed to stop and just do something else. So I thought, I know, I'll have an hour. I gave myself 1 hour to paint this landscape. I thought all the colours I needed were, these are the colours I used. Titanium white, ultramarine blue, raw umber and yellow ochre. So here we go. This is it. I love the contrast here, and this just took me half an hour. It was literally just half and half, light and dark, trying to gradiate the light into a slightly darker sky going up here. And I really loved the subtleness of this kind of light coming through the trees on the grass there. It was really beautiful, I thought. And for me, half an hour, you can kind of see here as well with the trees. I just had a little bit of fun with a little brush there and just had some fun. So yeah, I just took the photo and I thought, I did the picture, and I thought after half an hour, I thought, no, this is done, that's done, it must be finished, and it must be an hour. And I looked at the clock, and so I was timing myself, and it was half an hour. And to be honest, I thought I can't do any more than that. So I did it. I finished. This was my kind of half an hour landscape, and it's in honour of my poor old cat Tiggy, R.I.P. Tiggy, hashtag R.I.P. Tiggy. So yeah, it was a sad little moment. And also, I got to tell you this, when I took the photo, another little cat kind of jumped up on my lap and started being nice and everything like that. So yeah, that was lovely. I sound like a mad cat person. I'm not a mad cat person. I might be mad, but I'm not a cat person. Well, I like cats, so maybe I am a mad cat person. Anyway. And what I decided as well, because I quite liked it, I thought it was interesting, I have used this as my entry into Sky Landscape Artist of the Year for 2023, which obviously they're taking in applicants now. So that was cool. So I'll keep you posted on that. It'd be really nice if I could be if I could be in one of the gods in the pods. That would be quite cool. But I would love to be a wild card, because I've done that twice and it's just so much fun, and you meet some wonderful people. And I hope you enjoyed that little half an hour painting of a landscape. So the idea is, if you see something and you think, oh yeah, take a photo, record it, keep it in your phone, because you never know, you might come back to it, you might need a little distraction from something, and yeah, it's there then, and you can just go, boom, what can I paint? I can paint that. Half an hour. Have a great day. Whatever you do today, make some art. Take care, guys. Bye.